everyone, this is Kian from the Reaper Rocker. Welcome to Tales from the Underground. On this episode, gagawa ulit tayo ng band feature. And we will feature the band Nocturnes PH. So this is a metal band from Manila. Nagawa na natin sila ng interview at this time, i-feature ko ang kanilang music. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's start. Nocturnes is a metalcore band from Metro Manila. The band established its name to the underground scene and played in different gigs where they built their solid fan base. They also shared stage with the local and international acts such as Hexis, Godzilla vs. Tokyo, Sunflower Project, Remnants, and many more. Recently, they had released their single Sleepless Nights and Voyage of Subliminal Mind. So nakilala ko ang bandang Nocturnes PH way back nung sa event ng Sleepless Nights launch nung February sa Ruins Bar. So actually hindi ko pa sila talaga kilala nun. Ang sadya ko lang talagang puntahan dun sa event na yun, yung Ana Maria. Pero yun nga, nung napanood ko ang performance sila, bumilib ako kasi solid nung tugtugan nila at saka napaka-approachable nung mga band members. So yun, later nakilala rin nila ako, tapos nagano rin sila na set ng pa-interview. So yun, natuloy yung interview nila. Yun yung isa sa mga previous episode na feature ko ang Nocturnes PH. So this time, ipapakita ko ang kanilang kanta na Sleepless Nights. Napaka-meaningful ng kanta na to. Let's enjoy this music. And that was Nocturnes PH, Sleepless Nights. So, in terms of their music, masasabi mong iba't ibang influences ang maririnig mo dun sa tunog kasi nga, as they mentioned nga dun sa last interview na iba't ibang genre ang pinagbulan ng banda. So, makikita mo yung evident ng mga kanilang sound influences they infuse in this song. So, masasabi ko din na in terms of their musicality, alam mong may chemistry silang anim kasi nga yung wala silang lamangan pagdating sa music. Lahat sila nagsising all together at talagang alam mo yun, may sense of coordination sa bawat isa. So, kudos ako doon. Now, yung lyrical content ng Sleepless Nights, napaka-meaningful kasi nga sinulat ko ni Von dun during the time of the pandemic, and alam mo yun, very stressful that time nung panahon ng pandemic at nagkaroon siya ng inspirasyon para isulat tong kanta na to. So, actually parang kung pakikinggan mo yung buong lyrics ng kanta, it reminds you kung ano yung time ng pandemic, kung paano ka mawali sa mahal mo sa buhay. So, very siya, no, parang timely, tsaka makaka-relate kang kahit sino man. So, ayun, kaya solid na solid talaga ako sa banda. Hopefully, no, na makapaglabas pa sila ng mga bagong kanta. Supportan din natin ang bandang Nocturnes PH. Ang links is available in the description. Please do check them out. And yung Spotify nila, pakinggan nyo yung stream sila. It would help them para ma-promote sila. Suporta natin ang mga nasa undergrounds. Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days. Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections ano masasabi nyo dito sa Nocturnes PH. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs. And check out yun yung interview ko last time sa Nocturnes PH. Yung cards, papakita yan sa screen. The links is available in the description para lubos yung makilala ang banda. So again, this is Kian from the Reaper Rocker, signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!